Casa Akúun, a project by Arkham Projects, is a testament to harmonious living in the Yucatan Peninsula. Nestled amidst lush vegetation, the house occupies only a fifth of the land, prioritizing nature and open spaces. Its design, open to both the north and south, ensures optimal airflow and sunlight in every room, while offering breathtaking views of the surrounding greenery. The house's elongated structure, spanning nearly 70 meters, is dramatically divided by a towering álamo tree. This central feature creates a patio that separates the public and private areas, fostering a sense of tranquility and connection to nature. The architect's intention was to blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, allowing inhabitants to move freely throughout the space without feeling confined. The property's unique location, bordered by 3 roads, enabled the creation of 2 distinct entrances. The daily access, situated in the southwest, leads through a verdant passageway to the private areas of the house. This route offers a secluded and peaceful retreat, shielding residents from the hustle and bustle of the city. The social entrance, on the other hand, is located in the northeast and features a more open approach, allowing visitors to admire the house from a distance. A majestic pitch tree, or guanacaste tree, stands guard at the entrance, welcoming guests to the social spaces. Casa Akúun is more than just a residence. It is a sanctuary where the beauty of the Yucatan can be fully experienced. Through its thoughtful design and integration with the natural environment, the house offers a harmonious and enriching living experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Casa Akúun, a remarkable architectural masterpiece nestled in the heart of the Yucatan. We hope this video has inspired you with its unique design, seamless integration with nature, and unwavering commitment to creating a harmonious living experience. If you're captivated by Casa Akúun and its architectural brilliance, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring projects and insights into the world of design and architecture. We also encourage you to leave a comment below and share your thoughts on this extraordinary home. Thank you again for watching.